Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe, and click that bell button, so you can get notification when my new, easy way tutorial is out. Have you accidentally moved your taskbar from the bottom of your screen, or you just want to move it up or to the side and you don't know how? In this quick video I will show you how to move taskbar on Windows 10 in two ways. So, to actually move the taskbar anywhere, you have to right-click on the taskbar. And if you see this check mark beside, lock the taskbar, click on it and you will unlock it. Now that is your taskbar unlocked. You can press and hold left mouse button on the taskbar, and you can drag it in the position where you want it to be. You can put it on the top of your screen, or left or right side of the screen. I will just return it to the bottom, because I think it is the most natural position for taskbar to be. When you are done, right-click on taskbar again, and click on Lock the taskbar, so you don't accidentally move it or resize it. The second way to move it is to right-click on taskbar and select taskbar settings. This window will open, and here under taskbar location on screen, click and choose where you want it to be. You can also select all four sides of the screen. Close this window when done, and you are good to go. And that's the way how to move your taskbar around your screen. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it, and please subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next, easy way tutorial. Bye.